friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can create multiple pages in React.js using router. So let's get started. First, opening my project, and here you can see my previous project is open. So first open terminal, new terminal, then install a package. So running command npm install react router DOM. Click enter. So wait for installation complete. Now you can see it installed in our package. You can also verify it by clicking on more modules, then search. Okay, first refresh, then search react router DOM. You can see it installed in our package. So let's close it for now. Now let's move to our coding part. So first, here it's showing main tag, but let's create one more thing or one more component. New file app.js. Also copying the code, so copy it and paste here. Now instead of this, change it to app. Now here, instead of returning this message, delete it. Now let's import some package. So again, import browser router, then as router, also import route, then import link, then import switch from react router DOM. So that's why I install this package. So I need to use this for routing in our project. Now let's move to coding part. So also create some more pages, like creating one more component which is about.js. Now again copy the code, copy it and paste here, and returning message h1 about us page, or create more pages like contact us. So here contact.js, paste again, about contact h1 contact page. Also remember this, in React this is not a HTML or not a string. This is known as JSX. Now let's move to our router code. So our page is ready. First is contact, about us, and one main page. So move to app.js. Now here create a router. So first add router, then add switch, then add route, giving exact path equal to. So first is home page, it is slash, and component equal to, here component is our main page, so giving main. Let's import this main. So import main from let's copy it, import main from main. Then close this route. Then create one more route, which is about, and import about from about. Also import contact from contact. Now let's save it. So here you can see I created 3 URLs. First is home, then about, then contact, and all these are related to a component. So in first I am showing this main component. In second you can see I return the about us component. In third I return the contact component. So let's see it is working or not. So save it first, and here instead of main show the app.js. So again app, and import this app from app. Save it. Now run the project, npm start. So you can see in home page it return the main component, and you can see which I created is the main component. Now let's open other page like about, and you can see it return the about us page. Also if I change contact, and you can see it's working. So in this way you can create route in React.js, and here you can see I created 3 pages, which is first is main, then about, then contact. So in this way you can create routing in React.js. Now let's see how you can access this value like data equal to data1. So how you can access this URL value in your component. So let's see. So I am accessing value in contact page. Now let's see how you can access the URL value. So declaring a variable where data1 equal to new URL search params, then parenthesis, then window.location.search, then .get, and pass the key name. So I am accessing only data1 and data2. Let's print this value console.log data1 data2. So let's see it is working or not. So again Chrome, open console, and you can see it returning null. So data1 equal to data1 and data2 equal to data2, and you can see it's working now. So in this way you can access the value from URL params in React.js. Now let's see how you can check your value exists in URL params or not. So again come to here, then here if copy the same code and paste here, only access has. So it will return true or false if key exists in URL. So I am adding data1 console.log value exists, else console.log value not exist. Let's see. So again, and if you see value exists means we are passing the value, but let's see if I change it to data, and now you can see value not exist. So in this way you can create multiple pages in React using router. Also you can access value from URL params. Also you can check value exists in URL params or not. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe our channel.